Hi my friends. Well, I just wanted to tell you that the car is back, it's working again. Now I am returning from Spur Tree, was buying some gas. And we are heading back to Mandeville. Today we have a lot of wind, and the weather right now and this month in Mandeville is really nice. We have a nice weather. We have been with temperature down to 16 degrees Celsius. We have been very nice. I love it when it's like that because then we don't get mosquitoes. So that's why I love it when it's cold. Today is telling me is 24 degrees Celsius. However, there is a lot of wind, and that's why it feels cooler than it's supposed to be at 24 degrees Celsius because it's there is a lot of wind. So as I said, I'm returning here. This is Spur Tree Road, and we are heading to Mandeville. And special thanks to all the person who showed me their support in the video that I published previously when I was mentioning that the car stopped working, and however I was going to be unable to continue making videos for now. But fortunately it was a little expensive, yes, but the car is apparently fixed. So let's wait a little bit to see if the problem has been really fixed. So thanks again for your support, and well, we are going to try to continue making videos to share with you, showing the beautiful Jamaica. I need to plan another trip, another one of those long trips, so that we can enjoy more areas in Jamaica. But for now I'm not going to be able to do it because we are back at work. So we'll have to just give you the short ones. But anyhow, I think I have some footage somewhere in my laptop, so I'm going to look for it and I'm going to share it with you as well. But thank you very much for all your support, for your comments, for letting us know where are you watching those videos from, and also likes that show us that you are really enjoying them, because believe me, we are putting a lot of effort to be able to make the videos in the best way that we can, to be able to even edit them, put in the names of the roads and everything. It takes some time, especially because I do another kind of work, so I'm not on the road all the time, but every time I have an opportunity I try to share something about Jamaica. So I hope that this one is not so bad. Spur Tree Road. I'm recording here back and front, but I'm not sure if I'm going to share the back and front. Maybe in some parts. I'm trying to go back fast because I just took my lunch time to be able to come and buy some gas, because the car was practically zero. Oh my gosh. Yesterday we had to put a lot of engine oil because we have flushed all the engine oil when the damage that I mentioned, and we had to buy new oil and fill it up again. But thanks God, it happened while we were still in Mandeville and not when we were traveling far, because it should have been really, really expensive to solve that problem, because we couldn't drive the car with a engine that was dry without oil. So I have to give thanks to God for that. Alright, no more talking. We are almost there. Not yet. I was thinking we were about to get to the runabout, but no, not yet. But yes, I invite you that you continue watching more videos, and especially I appreciate when you even take the time. In the same way how I take the time to be writing titles and making sure that if it's too boring, then I put a background music, or try to name the different roads, the different streets. It takes me a lot of time, believe me. So I'm asking you if you also just give me few seconds. It don't take you 30 seconds just to write a little comment there, like it can be just to tell us where are you watching the videos from, or what would you like, what if there is something in special that you would like us to do, or that we add, or places that we go. I know that some of you have been asking me for some places. Some of those places I don't even know them, but some of those places you ask me, but believe me, some of them I am not able to go, at least not for now. But I keep them on my list, that if one day I'm going in that direction, then I just try to put them. Sometimes just take a detour and make sure that we include them in all the videos in the channel. But you will understand that going to different places require time, and not just time, but we need gas. And well, it would be nice if one of you one day send me something. I'm joking, but yes, that send me something like, say, okay, I'm going to sponsor a trip. It would be nice. I will appreciate that. Like you say, I'm going to sponsor a trip, let's say to Negril, to Montego Bay, to Ocho Rios, to St. Thomas, wherever you want, and you sponsor the trip. We can put some gas in the car. I will be glad to go and be able to document these other places. But if you are not able to do it, it's okay. We will try to do it. So thank you very much. Right now, I forgot to tell you, this is Greenville. We are on Greenville. Excuse me for my pronunciation, because my first language is Spanish. Excuse me for if I don't pronounce sometimes. Sometimes my tongue just gets off. But this is Greenville. We are heading to Caledonia. That will be between Caledonia Road and Pearl Road. At the right, we are going to find Mega Mart. So Mega Mart is at the right here, and there is something auto parts. This is Newell's at the left, and as we continue at the right, we will go Pearl Road. At the left, we are going Caledonia Road. Right, so let's go on Caledonia Road. When we go into the town, I want to show you the town. Oh, here, this one is Manchester High School that we just passed. At the right and at the left is NCB, is a bank. Let's turn right here. Bank here, this is Jamaica National. It used to be Jamaica National Building Society, but now it is Jamaica National Bank. Yeah. JM Bank. So now it's bank. Yes, it is Mandeville today. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. Even if you see the sun, believe me, it's not so cold today. It's not so hot today because there is a lot of wind, and the temperature here in the car is telling me that currently is about 24. So let's go. This is Bashco. It's for appliances, for things, home appliances and things like that. Okay. This is the town, Mandeville, where you find people walking all the time. All the time. And well, at this hour is not bad, but come here on a Friday and you will see that it's impossible for you to drive. So I don't recommend that you come here on a Friday, because especially if you are like in a little hurry, because it's going to be a bad experience for you. It's a lot of pedestrians. They are just going up and down, and they come in front of you. And if you are a nervous person, like to be driving, don't advise you to be coming really on a Friday, because it's crazy how people just walk, how people just cross the street right in front of you. So you have to keep your eyes really, really wide open. Alright, this is the Mandeville, this is the court at the right, and we are turning here. At the left is still right there at the front. At the left is still the police station. They are trying to improve it and do some work, but it's taking a long time. Here at the right is the park. This is Mandeville Park. See how people walk. And let's go. Continue. We are going around the park. And this one is going to take us right straight of Mandeville Market. That will be the Mandeville Market right in front, where you see a lot of people. And right there as well is like taxi stop, taxis that are going here to the close by towns. Right, the one in front, Mandeville Market. As we continue moving. Oh, by the way, this is Manchester Road, right? Mandeville Market at the right. At the left, we have the Bankhouse Mall, some supermarkets. Supermarkets here. Let's see what else. Just trying to get. I need to buy some little things on the supermarket, because this morning when I was cooking, I just discovered that there was no salt in the couch. And you will know how food without salt will taste. So fortunately there was a little bit, and I put everything in there. So, but I need to get some salt. By the way, I love cooking. One of these days I will make a video and show you cooking some Colombian recipes, some nice, delicious food. As my daughter said that she loves Colombian food. We don't put pepper, so it's not like the Jamaican food, but it is very good. Alright, so let's go. Let's go to this supermarket. The reason why I'm coming to this one is because we have parking, so I don't have to be worried about where I left the car, and the stress, people walking up and down, and so we just have to find where to park. this one here. And we park right here. So I come in a moment. I'm going to buy the things in the supermarket so that we can continue our journey. So I'm going to put it maybe in part 2. So see you.